Hey honey, guess who's back from a very boring working day? I'll give you a hint. He's the most wholesome, most caring, and above all, most humble boyfriend of the world who, on the way back, might have got you some ice cream for movie night. Honey? Where are you? What? Do you want to play hide and seek instead of watching a movie tonight, huh? No response. Maybe she's in the bathroom. But now, I guess I'll just put the ice cream in the freezer. Wait, why is the kitchen a mess? Looks like a hurricane's passed through here. And is the smell... Oh, fuck, the oven. Yeah, definitely burnt potatoes. Are those even potatoes? Oh god. What kind of dark magic is this? Seriously though, how long did these stay in the oven to get this black? Wait a minute. Is this blood? Did she accidentally cut herself? Looks like she was slicing bread here and oh no. Is she okay? Honey, are you in the bathroom? Yeah, I just got home, but are you okay? Can I come in? Why not? Babe, you're making me worry. Did you hurt yourself while making dinner? If you say so. But if the bleeding stopped, why are you still inside there? You sure you're okay? I'm sorry, sweetheart, but I'm coming inside. What? Why did you lock the door? You never do that. Baby, please, open the door for me. If there's any kind of problem, I want to help you. Okay. I'll wait for you here. Hey, are you sure everything's okay? Please, be honest with me. I can see in your face and your voice. I'm not asking you if you're okay just to have a standard answer of yes, I'm fine. When you're clearly not. Can you just tell me what's wrong? Also, does your finger still hurt? I saw the blood and... Did something else happen? If you try to hide whatever it is, you're gonna make me even more worried. And moreover, I'll feel powerless as I don't know what I should do to help you. No, come back here. You're not going to avoid my questions like this. Baby, come on. What's wrong? Did I do something wrong? Are you upset with me? Like, what did I do? Do I have to punch someone that's hurt you? Why do you keep saying that? This is not like you at all. How? How can I not worry when you're clearly hiding something from me? Right now you're... Oh yeah. Unfortunately the potatoes and whatever else was with them kinda got burnt. But hey, it's okay. We'll order a Chinese or something. Accidents happen sometime, can't be helped. Wait, Are you trembling? And your breathing's... Hey. It's okay. It's not a problem if things didn't go according to plan. It's not your fault. Baby girl, you didn't ruin anything. This is not a failure. It's just an unfortunate accident. Don't say these things. Look, trust me, there's no problem. We just order a takeout and everything's gonna be fine. No, wait, babe, where are you going now? No, I'm not letting you go, babe. Please, just calm down. It's only some potatoes, not the end of the world. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. I'm so dumb. I'm making it worse, aren't I? I'm so sorry. I'll let you go, okay? Please just don't disappear in the bathroom again. Let me at least help slow down your breathing, please. I'm not new to this. I know I can help you, if you let me. How can you tell me you can deal with this on your own when you're like this? You look like you're about to collapse. Barely standing on your feet. Baby girl, I'm here for you. Please, have some faith in me. Oh. It's the thunder and lightning. I'm sorry, baby. You should have told me you was having a panic attack over that. Huh? You've already dealt with it. No, wait. You're used to it. Babe, clearly not. Look, I'm here for you. I'll tell you what. Let's go get in the bedroom. We'll hide under the blankets. We'll cuddle. I'll play with your hair. You don't have to worry about any of this, okay? It's gonna pass. It's just a little thunder and lightning. It can't hurt you. Look, it's okay. For now, just focus on me. And try to calm down, okay? You're breathing way too fast. I need you to relax. Come here, I'll hold you. Would that help you feel safer? No? Okay. Then what about holding my hand? You can squeeze it as hard as you want. I promise you it won't hurt. And if it does, I'll fake it. No, listen, I don't care if you get your nails in my skin. I just want this to be an anchor for you. Something you can focus your mind on. Yeah, that's my girl's strong grip. Now let's breathe together. This is the box breathing. Every step will last 4 seconds. So you'll breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, breathe out for 4 seconds. And just repeat that, hold again for 4 seconds, and there you go. Baby, you're with me. Focus on my voice. You're gonna be okay, honey. I assure you. Everything is fine. You're safe. I'll help you breathe now, okay? You don't need to talk. Just a small nod's fine, okay? Are you ready? Okay. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. Let's do it again, okay? Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. You're doing great, honey. Once again. Breathe in. hold, and breathe out. There you go, your breathing's calmed a little. You feeling better? Can you breathe on your own now? I'm glad. You did it, baby. You're okay, see? Listen, do you want to sit on the couch? You don't look very stable on your feet. Maybe you like a little rest. I'll bet all your muscles are in tension right now. Lean on me if you need to. Here. Hey, shh. It's fine. You don't need to say sorry. You did nothing wrong. Do you want that hug now? You know my chest's always here for you. And just you. Come here, honey. You're safe with me. In my arms. I got you. I'm not letting you go. You can relax. I'll always be here for you, baby. Always, okay? You're not alone in this, and you never will be. Oh, honey, don't hold back. You can cry if you need to. I'm sure it will help you relax too, and what you just went through, cry as much as you want. Like genuinely, as much as you need, until you feel better. I'll be right here. I'll hold you close as long as you need me to. Slowly you're gonna feel that trembling disappear. And slowly you're gonna feel your breathing going back to normal without the need to focus on it. Oh, honey, what's the problem if I see you like this? You're the one I love the most. That's not going to change it even if I see you crying or trembling or hyperventilating. I don't want you to hide these things from me. Especially not if you can't let yourself be vulnerable around me. Of course you can. Why are you even asking? I'm your boyfriend. Not a random stranger who happens to live with you because they can't afford an apartment of their own. I want to be the one who stays with you in both good and hard times. Not just when everything's going perfect. Because let's be honest, that's not realistic at all, is it? Life's not all fun and games. And you don't have to keep yourself every moment you're feeling hurt, sad, alone, frustrated, angry. In fact, I'd much rather you wouldn't. I'd prefer you be honest with me and share with me whatever brings you joy, of course, but sorrow too. But why do you feel like this? Do you not trust me enough to feel vulnerable when you're with me? You said you're used to having these attacks when there's a thunderstorm, but this is the first time I've seen you like this. And we've been dating for a few months now. We've known each other for who knows how long. Just, why you never told me this? Why have you never relied on me when you have these moments? Baby girl, you're not a burden. What makes you think that? What? I knew I had to punch someone in the face. Well, no. That idiot told you a whole lot of bullshit. Nothing of what he said is true. Baby, I'll never see you as a burden, okay? And like I told you, I'm not new to this. And I promise it won't affect me in a negative way if it happens. I'm not going to get tired of you. I won't start having anxiety because you do. And I definitely won't stop loving you when you're not 100%. And I'm sure these moments aren't going to ruin anything between us. The only thing I want is that you feel safe enough with me. You're so much more than this. You're much more than your anxiety. You are so, so much more than these few minutes of irrational fear. No, baby girl. Panic attacks do not define you as a person. I assure you that when people think about you, even those who saw you like this will not remember you as the girl with the anxiety. They're going to remember your smile, your funny personality, your kindness, your hilarious clumsiness that always makes me laugh. They're going to remember how you're always willing to help others, and how much your face brightens up when you see a cute little animal crossing the road or something. This is who you are. This is how people remember you. You're unique, wonderful, and this is something panic attacks aren't going to change. And trust me when I say that if someone even remembers you for your anxiety alone, it either means that they didn't know anything about you, or they just didn't care enough about you. They just cared about themselves, and you don't need people like that. And in all honesty, that's all they're going to remember about you. They don't deserve you at all anyway, so fuck them. Stop apologizing, sweetie. I understand how you felt. I understand what your fear of opening up to me was. I only hope that now you'll understand how I feel too. I want to stay by your side when you're not feeling okay. And if you let me, I'll gladly help. Thank you, baby girl. I love you. Of course I love you even though you burnt our dinner. Did you forget that time when I baked a cake and I used salt instead of sugar? That was so gross. But we laughed about it and got some cookies from the convenience store instead. So how is burning some potatoes making you special now? Do you remember that time I also tried making those soft croissants? And somehow they were like bricks. I'm sure you could have used them as a door stopper. Or, do you remember that time I boiled water for pasta? I forgot about it and it all evaporated. You and your potatoes still have a long way to go to get to my level. Yeah, true. That night we ordered pizza. Listen, why don't we get it tonight too? Like I said before, I also got us some ice cream. Would be a perfect combo for movie night. Aw, see? This is what I told you. Your beautiful, excited little smile is what people are mostly going to remember you. Yes, even if you have puffy red eyes, you're still beautiful. Oh, baby girl, if only you could see the way I see you. One last thing, baby. Will you promise me that you'll talk about your anxiety to anyone that can figure out why you have it and maybe help you overcome it? I want you to know that I'm always going to be here for you. Of course, but I don't want you to suffer. It hurts me knowing that this is something you're used to, because no one should be. No one should have to get used to these feelings, babe. Good girl. You've earned the right to eat your ice cream for tonight. But first, let's order our pizza, shall we? And take care of the messy kitchen once you've completely calmed down. Until then, feel free to stay between my arms. I'm here to recharge you through cuddles and kisses, which I'm never gonna get tired of, because that's exactly what the girl I love most deserves. All for free too. Who doesn't like free cuddles? But I'm also hungry, so... Hey, don't laugh at me. Oh, you're hungry too? Then what pizza do you want to eat tonight? Also, what movie do you want to watch? What? No, babe, please, not Twilight again. I see, I see. A great comedy movie to lift up your spirit. Okay, okay. You're the boss here. Hey, listen. I'm glad you felt safe enough to open up to me, baby girl. I love you.